Welcome back. This is the last lesson recording for IM2, April 29th, 2021. So this is the last card on the Desmos, and you get to try out different inscribed angles given a common arc AB. Okay, given arc AB, no matter where you move this, okay, whether it's close to A or any direction, it's going to be 41 degrees in measure. Okay, it does not matter where on the circle. So given the same arc, the measure of the inscribed arc is always going to be the same. And that's the takeaway from this Desmos activity. So now let's put together inscribed angle, central angle, and arc. So how many central angles correspond to arc DC? Arc DC refers to this length here, right? Or this arc between point D and C on the circumference of the circle. How many central angle? Well, there's only this pink angle right there. What about inscribed angle corresponds to arc DC? Well, I can create an inscribed angle right there, or inscribed angle right there, or anywhere along the rest of the circle circumference, right? So there are many inscribed angles. And how many? We say that inscribed angle intercept the arc. Okay, so inscribed angle intercept the arc, and given the inscribed angle and intercepted arc, all inscribed angles that intercept the same arc have the same angle measures. And that is it for today. And as you can add to the table of content that today we covered arc measure and inscribed angles. Thank you for listening.